Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. There's the camera. I have to look in that direction. So I hope you're having a good day. I'm going to show you Melipona, Sananga, honey eye drops. So this is For Visions Apothecary. And that's forvisionsmarket.com. And I'm going to put their link down below. I have an affiliate link with them and use much of their medicine. I love it. So this is their newer Sananga, and Sananga is made with herbs from the jungle. And I want to say the origin is the Yucatan rainforest, Mexico. And the plant medicine in the drops has a bit of a spice or a heat to it. It brings vision spiritually and physically to your eyes. So previously I used their lowest strength Sananga drops that were quite powerful. So I would liken it to cayenne pepper. So Dr. Christopher, American herbalist, he used cayenne pepper in his eye formula. And that would smart, that would sting. But we used it effectively many times for either just like slight eye infections, even more than slight. But when your vision might not seem as clear, or tired eyes, or red eyes, or crusty eyes. So I've used cayenne for a long time, and so I was kind of used to that heat. But the Sananga, what they have on their website is the lowest strength, was so powerful and so intense. Like I really had to breathe through it like in labor. Like it was hard. And I did a 21-day dieta with the eye drops. The first time I used it, it was like the most magical experience. I could see so clearly with my eyes. It was just so magnificent. Like the plants were like vibrating and moving. And at the time I had continual like eye irritation before using them. And it like cleared up my eyes so well and really have stayed that way. So when I saw that For Visions came out with this newer formula, I thought I would try it because it said it wasn't as strong. I don't know if I could try the medium or super strength because it was powerful. This, to me, is not strong at all. And some people say it is, but I'm used to the cayenne, so it's like similar to the cayenne. I also don't feel like the effects are as dramatic as far as like meditation and visionary. It's more subtle. I love how it smells. The honey is magnificent. But I definitely feel like it improves my eyes and the whites of my eyes. And you want to have good eye health. My intention is to keep my eyesight. My intention is to keep my eyes clear and strong and healthy. So I was trying to do a 21-day dieta, and I broke it now for the last 5 or 6 days. I'm going to get back on track with that. But you really do start to see more clearly. And it's not just visually, it's spiritually when you use these drops. So I'm going to try to do a quick demo while I'm holding my phone with the other hand. So I keep my Sananga in the fridge. The other batch I had, it says to keep it in the fridge. This one does not say. So it's very runny. The Melipona honey is very runny. It like drips out of the bottom of the dropper thing really fast. You're supposed to use 1 drop. I know I use more than 1 drop just because of the way it goes on. And you have to apply it to 2 eyes for balance. You don't do 1 and then later the other. You do 2 right away. So I'm going to do that one-handed here, and you'll see my reaction as it sets in. So it's sticky. You want to get it in the corners of your eyes and blink. I kind of help this one along by rubbing it in a little bit. And once it hits the eye, you will definitely feel the sting. I feel it in my left eye and not my right eye, so I don't know if I got it in good enough. And I don't know if I'm... Oh, there we go, it's in. I don't know if I'm on the screen. So typically I wouldn't talk through this, have my eyes pulled tight shut. Sananga also relaxes the nervous system. So there is Hape, a lot of Hape on 4Vision's website. I feel like that can drain the nervous system. It's grounding, but Sananga calms and relaxes. Like after the sting passes, you feel like very relaxed. So initially you have to like squeeze your eyes really tight. And then start to try to blink them open. I think I'm just going to relax a minute and not talk. You can listen to the crickets, the birds, the bees, and the tractor in the background. Okay, so now I can fully open my eyes. I had to turn that off, and my eyes are running. The medicine puts you in a place where you can just be still, and it's a good time to put a prayer out there and see what you receive. I hate to waste this moment because I'm using the drops right now. So I think I'm going to shut the phone back off and finish my time of prayer. But I just wanted to do a demo for you of the Sananga. And I guess I will say that I would only recommend this company, 4Vision's Market. See my link. If you want to relax your nervous system, this is for you. And if you want clearer vision, spiritually and physically, this is for you. Comment any questions down below. Thanks.